Welcome to day 8 of 120 days profitability challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. How possible is this going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey, the ups, downs, the challenges right here on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to follow me and keep yourself updated on my journey, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button on this channel and stay with me throughout this journey, right? So today, being day 8, I have only one assignment to do. That is to do revision. I've had a good number of lessons. I've gone through a good number of lessons. And today, it is just good that I go back to these lessons, revisit them, and learn some things. I might have made some things out during my course of the studies, but I believe if I go back and revisit these lessons, I'll probably get some insights. My eyes or my mind will be open to some new things which probably I might have missed out. All right. So just like the saying goes, repetitive exposure leads to reinforcement. So I'm going to reinforce myself today and go through all the lessons I've gone through so far, revisit them, and I'll probably take you through my lesson process, the things that I do and stuff like that. Probably take you through them, and that is going to be it.
Alright, so back to the chart. I quickly have to get my things ready and start my revision process. Honestly, the revision process wasn't what I thought it would have been. I thought it would have been something just very smooth for me, that I'll go through the lessons quick, and I'll finish. But honestly, it wasn't like that. I ended up not finishing the whole revision because the videos that I've gone through, as part of my first lessons, they are kind of a lot, and I couldn't go through all of them, and I may even possibly continue tomorrow. I may continue the other video tomorrow because there are some things that I came across in the revision. They were things that I actually couldn't understand in the earlier parts of the lessons. So I think I have to pay close attention to this, and during the whole process, I ended up spending much time on some things that made me not to finish the whole revision work. So I think it's just good that I did this. I even started with the revision. Let me put it that way. Yeah, because I'm not done with the revision yet. So it's good that I start the revision, since it's opening my eye to some new things that I actually missed out in my earlier lessons. Guys, I won't say anything to be like this journey so far, being the 8, is such a smooth journey. No, it seems as if the problems, the obstacles were waiting for me to start this journey, and they'll start coming. Honestly, this journey so far hasn't been smooth, but there's only one thing that is assured: we are not giving up on this journey. Did I just say we? No, I'm not giving up on this journey. Anyway, I keep kind of including you in whatever I'm doing on this channel. So don't worry if I say we, because you're also part of this journey together. I'm not the only one in or on this journey. So yeah, we are not giving up. That is it. At the end of it all, we want to see some change happening. We want to see some improvements in how we trade, how we do stuff psychologically and even technically. We have to see some improvement in our trading habits so that we can become the profitable forex traders that we want to be, right? So it is still 120 days challenge, and today is just the 8th. Let's see how the remaining days will unfold. Yeah, a lot of stuff is going on, but like I said earlier, we are not giving up. We are not giving up. We did not start this journey just to give up, all right? We did not come far just to come far. We have to get something out of it. So yeah, that's it, and I'm signing out. I'll see you at the other part of this video.
So thank you for watching, and if you are new over here, my name is Godsway Amuzu, and I am on a journey to become a profitable Forex trader within 120 days. So if you would like to follow me on this journey and keep yourself updated, kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this video and stay with me right here. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.